Hello friends, Running Kimono here. So we have a very inexpensive P&G laundry care deal over at Walgreens today. So if you want to do this ASAP, I would do it ASAP. It is working hand in hand with the rebate app Fetch Rewards, where you're going to be given an extra 4,000 points for doing the deal. So what you're going to do is scoot over into your Fetch Rewards account. At the search bar at the very top, just type in Tide. Exactly as I'm showing right here. And then this guy should populate, which is 2,000 points back when you buy a detergent and a Downy fabric enhancer. And the Tide product can be a Tide liquid or a Tide pod. The enhancer is the Downy scent beads, the softener, the dryer sheets. And the redemption is up to 4 times. For this one, you're going to be doing it twice as you're buying a Tide pod, a Tide liquid, a dryer sheet, and some sort of enhancer like a softener or the rinse and refresh. So while you're in the store, you're going to be looking for items that are tagged at $5.49 each. And definitely open up the Walgreens app and scan the barcodes to ensure, like, is my coupon attaching? Is it tagged? Please pay attention to that because you're grabbing an assortment and you don't want things to go sideways. If you could track down this Downy Infusion dryer sheets, it is also part of it. And we have a $1 coupon for that. And the Downy Rinse and Refresh also is part of this promotion. Now, alternatively, if you're just like, hey, I don't like that rinse and refresh, or I can't find those Downy dryer sheets. You could also grab the Old Faithful, which is the jug of the, it's been around forever, this Downy fabric softener for $5.49. And we also have a $1 digital. So if you wanted to swap out one of those, but please make sure you grab 2 Tide products, like a pod, a liquid, and then 2 Downy products. Must be Downy, cannot be Bounce as per the Fetch rebate. Okay, so these products are on this promotion that when you buy 4 of them, you get back a $5 register reward. This must be done in store because it is involving a register reward. So grabbing the first group of items that I was discussing, a pod, liquid, dryer sheet, and that fabric enhancer, this is $5.50 in digital coupons, so not bad. We're going to look at this deal 2 different ways because I have it even cheaper. But if you just want to grab the regular schmegular stuff, here it is. So just jogging through the math, 4 of these laundry care products is $21.96. Subtracting that gorgeous $5.50 in digital coupons. At this point, pay $16.46. And then you're getting back a $5 register reward. And some of us have a $2,500 for every 2 with the Fetch app, and some are a $2,000 for every 2. Either way, it's a $1 difference and still fantastic. If you have the $2,500 back, you're going to get back 5,000 points. I will let you know, for whatever stupid reason, a couple friends who did this deal yesterday, Fetch would grab the first one but not the second one, so you'd have to put in a ticket saying, hey, where's my extra 25 or 2,000 points? So the final price point here is $6.46 for the 4, or $1.61 per unit. It is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing the deal with no booster. If you might have a booster, heck, it would make this deal close to free, and that's what we absolutely love with extreme couponing. Okay, so the next deal, if you want to grab Tide Pod, Tide Liquid, that fabric enhancer, and if your store might sell these, which are the Downy scent beads for $5.49 that are also part of the promotion, double, triple check the tagging, guys. My store does not sell these, so I couldn't even check the tags. As you see, we have a $2.50 for those scent beads, a $2.50 for that rinse, $1. So you would load this. It's $7 in digital coupons. If you have success with this combination, let us know in the comments down below. And because this is such a hot promotion with either $4 or $5 back from Fetch, it's going to go really quickly. So in the comments down below, if you can share with other shoppers working in Maine, working in California, just let us know with the time. It would be really, really helpful. And I can't stress it enough to double, triple check your Fetch rebate that it's still there before you get to the register so it doesn't vanish. I have a feeling this one will be gone by probably Saturday. just taking a quick peek at the math for these laundry care products, $21.96, subtracting $7 in digital manufacturers, you're going to pay $14.46, get back a $5 register reward and 5,000 points back from Fetch, making it $4.46 for the 4 or $1.24 per laundry care product. It is okay to use Walgreens Cash if you're doing the deal with no booster. If you might have register rewards from Garnier, Colgate, whatever, you want to throw those in, by all means go for it so you have a lesser out of pocket. That's it for this video. Catch you guys in the next one. Bye.